Yo, what's up YouTube? We're back with another install. What are we doing today, Alex?
Hood struts. These are busted.
Let's change them out. Real quick install. Alright, so we're gonna replace these struts because they're shot. Holding up the hood for Alex or else it would fall on top of him. So Alex, what's step one?
Step one is taking the clips off right here. Clip off. Out. Clip off. Out. So make sure you pop the clip. Close in. Same thing down here. Pop the clips.
Alright, so he just did the second side and check it out. Let's test it out, Alex. There you go, guys. Easy. Alright guys, that's a very easy install. It took about 5 minutes. If you have any questions, drop some comments in the section. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more content on this E90.